They are a small but growing movement called the National Association to Stop Guardian Abuse. They say the disabled and elderly are being preyed upon by the legal system, by crooked lawyers in the courts, who they say scam millions of dollars by having older people declared guardians of the courts, depriving them and their families of their rights and taking their assets. They say that the courts are abusing the guardianship laws and that people's civil rights, constitutional rights, are being violated by the courts. Protesting in front of the Justice Department, they met with a few members of Congress demanding something be done. With millions of baby boomers turning into senior citizens soon, they're warning that billions of dollars will be stolen from the elderly and their families by probate courts, which they're claiming conspire with lawyers and state agencies like Adult Services to rob older people of their homes and life savings, often declaring them without proper evidence incompetent to handle their own financial affairs. It's a big business, they say, lawyers getting rich.
They grab the estate and divvy it up, and they intend to do that for the baby boomers because it will now bring in trillions to their pockets.
They're destroying my family. I mean, they took all my rights away, my husband's rights.
We are the victims because we are trying to protect our parents, our husbands, our wives, our sons, our daughters, our spouses from exploitation, financial exploitation.
Assault on the elderly in their golden years, says the group, citing case after case of the judicial system collaborating to put elderly or disabled people in a conservatorship status with the courts, giving the lawyers and the courts, without family having a say, complete control over an elderly person's life savings.
In a matter of moments, a person loses their entire liberty and dignity, their decision-making ability, and it's handed over to third persons that absolutely take total control of their lives.
The aging of the U.S. population in record numbers over the next 5 years, the baby boomer generation, they say that unless what they call a corrupt system is fixed, millions will be robbed of all they own by unscrupulous lawyers, social workers, corrupt probate courts, and the state agencies who are supposed to be protecting the elderly, not abusing them. Mike Kellerman, Press TV, Washington.